Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the concept of a land holding company. For those who are unaware, sometimes foreign nationals especially attempt to utilize corporate structures incorporated in Thailand that are set up in such a way that they're considered a Thai entity in order to own real property in Thailand and thereby be in compliance with the Foreign Business Act, as well as the restrictions on foreign land ownership. Now, as we've discussed in a number of videos on this channel, you need to be really careful with this. Although certain things can be legal or they can be sort of operating under color of law, there are real restrictions in Thailand regarding the foreign ownership of real estate. It's restricted to Thai nationals. And if a structure is deemed to be exclusively operating for the purpose of subverting or circumventing the restrictions on Thai or on foreign land ownership, it's possible that such a company could be dissolved, or such an incorporated entity could be dissolved, and the property could essentially be seized by the state. So you need to be really careful with this. Now, we've had a number of questions and we've had some correspondence from folks asking, based on prior videos on this channel where we've discussed there's been speculation in many outlets, many news media outlets, and it apparently is being discussed at certain policy levels, the notion of relaxing certain restrictions on foreign land ownership, most notably things like house ownership, and this has mostly been discussed with regard to the concept of a move-on, a housing development, where it may be possible for foreigners to own something in one of these developments. Again, we haven't seen anything actually promulgated to that effect. We haven't seen any rules come out, anything, even any announcements from any official sources that this is even being seriously discussed. But there has been enough out there that it caused me to go ahead and make some videos. But I've had questions from folks asking, well, is it possible that they may ease up regarding Thai land holding companies? It remains to be seen. I guess it is possible this could happen. I can see scenarios playing out where this becomes more of a feasible option for those who are looking to essentially enjoy land usage in Thailand through a corporate structure. Again, though, you got to be really careful. You've got to have folks that know what they're doing with respect to the incorporation and with respect to the conveyancing of the property into the corporate structure in order to ensure it's all done in such a way that comports with Thai law. And again, if it's deemed that one of these is exclusively going to be used for purposes of circumventing Thai law or specifically restrictions on foreign land ownership, it is a possibility that you can have some real problems there. So probably a good idea, before you do anything, contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance as to the sort of lay of the land, and then go from there.